Today I'm going to show you how to use filters in the Photoshop app. First, we have to open up the app. Here it opens up like this. From here, we just go into the top row, click on filter, and here we have filter gallery. Click on this, and from here we can select a bunch of filters. We have artistic ones, brush strokes, as you can see, like this, spatter, distortion filters, sketch filters. Let's see, some stylize, textures, and yeah, that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.